Feed the bird. Fine motor activity.
ची ची चिड़िया, छोटी सी चिड़िया, बच्चों को है प्यारी। ची ची चिड़िया, दाना खाने आती, पानी पीने आती, दाना पानी खाकर दूर उड़ जाती। ची ची चिड़िया, छोटी सी चिड़िया, बच्चों को है प्यारी, छोटी छोटी चिड़िया। Hi everyone, good morning. I'm here with an interesting fine motor activity. The name of this activity is Feed the Bird. What is this? This is a bird. Do you want to feed the bird? Come on, let's start with the activity. Come my friend, let's go. For this activity we need a sheet of paper. Try taking a colored sheet, 2 spoons of semolina, a flat tip or a round tip paintbrush, sketch pen of any color, a sellotape, a pair of scissors and a serving tray. Now let's draw a bird on this sheet of paper. For that, make a semicircle like this. Extend this part a bit. Now, this will be the bird's head. Okay? And this will be its wings. Make one pair of wings over here, one beak over here, eyes and legs. Now place the sheet on the tray and stick it with help of a sellotape. Secure all the 4 sides so that the semolina doesn't go under the sheet. Oh wow, our bird is ready. So now let's start the activity. Now ask a child to spill the entire semolina on the tray like this. You can use your hand to spread it. And now the fun part begins. We need to feed the bird by bringing all the semolina inside the bird's outline. So now ask a child to hold the brush and then try to feed the bird. Oh look, how this child is engrossed in this activity. A part of being a fun-filled fine motor activity, this will also enhance your child's eye-hand coordination and will help to increase their concentration and attention time span. Dear parents, there is no time limit for this activity. Let your child explore his movements and enjoy this activity.